Hello everyone in cryptex. I know some of you have been trying to access the website, but it's not going through simply because they are doing server maintenance. Okay, so we got email from cryptex saying that they are going to be offline for 48 hours. Okay, so please just don't panic yet, because this has happened in the past when they were doing some maintenance and somebody made a withdrawal of close to 400,000. Immediately after making that withdrawal, they went on this kind of maintenance as well. So the guy was panicking, thinking that something happened. But after a few days, I think that was 3 or 4 days, according to the guy, the website came back on and they apologized and they now released the money that he requested to withdraw from his end of contracts. Okay, I think he has about 2 or 3 contracts. So guys, what I'm saying here is, this is the information they gave us at the moment. If you try to access the website, this is the information you get. This is the screen you get. Okay, you won't be able to access it simply because they have sent email to one of the team leaders in cryptex. This didn't come to me, but I have written them to ask them why it is taking this time for them to come back, but I've not gotten any reply yet. In fact, I sent in my email today. The reason why I delayed to send email is because other leaders have been sending email as well. So this is a copy of their response from one of the German leaders or Dutch leaders, okay, that they responded. You can see that this email came from cryptex. Okay, if you are in cryptex and you have made a withdrawal before and they sent you email to say you should confirm with a yes or no, this is the email that comes from them. Okay, it's the same email. So this is not a forged email, okay, or a forged information. This came from cryptex. So they said, attention, increasing data security. Dear valued leaders, please be informed that our data center maintenance team will update all server database with new security measures which will affect our data center. The maintenance details are as follows. Maintenance date on the 9th of October 2025. Maintenance downtime period is between 24 to 48 hours. Maintenance window is going to take about 18 hours. And then they said, we truly apologize for any inconvenience caused and thank you for your consistent support. So this is the email that was sent, to one of the leaders through cryptex. So guys, stop panicking when you try to log in. You see this page coming up. Please don't panic because they are doing maintenance. They are offline just now, which is, understandable, because probably what they are doing needed them to be offline. They don't need to be online to do that. So this is the information we are getting. When I get a reply from the email that I send them today, I will record another video. I will let you guys know what their response will be. Okay, thank you guys. I will see you shortly.